Crap screwdrivers packaged with self-assembly furniture. What is the official name for these, and where might I be able to buy more? Apologies if this is off topic, but figured the people here would know what I am talking about. Let me clarify. I know it's a Phillips screwdriver. I am more focused on the cheapness. It is borderline disposable. Can these be purchased in bulk somewhere? Question from user Caffeine Addiction at Stack Exchange. Answer. Unfortunately, there's probably no standard name for it, and Chinese manufacturers tend to keyword stuff. I did find a supplier on Alibaba that'd sell you as many as you want for 5 cents and shipping, and they call it a takes a deep breath crosshead screwdriver wrench furniture hardware tool parts simple triangle cross spanner that said, you can often find what something is using Google Lens. I uploaded a photo of the question with the wrench, ignored Google bringing up the same question, and that brought up some options. While it needs some digging, I'm a fan of teaching people to fish, and it might be useful for future users, or tool searches if you know what you want, and not what it's called. Answer from user Journeyman Geek at Stack Exchange.